Hello, ladies. Oh my God. If only you knew all that I have been through. But you know what? I've recorded dos videos, both of which had no volume. And I swear to God, this shit better work this time. Okay, anyhow. So, like I said in the other videos, I got this synthetic lace front. It goes from ear to ear with the lace. This particular one only cost like $50. It was my very first time installing one. Kind of nervous. The inside of it has combs. They did give me um, these little strips. So it's like little strips of tape that you can just put like on the perimeter of your hairline after you clean it and with alcohol. However, I didn't even do that because they have these combs underneath, and it had lace that was still about here. And actually, I just took. Sorry, I'm so disorganized, but you can take scissors. You can use these big ones here, which I didn't use. I actually used a smaller pair, of which I can't find right now. But I used those to put it on, and as you can see, it's very natural looking. Um, It's my very first one, and I know you guys are thinking, no, she didn't do. I know. I would think the same thing. However, I did. And here is the before. If you're going to use the strips, you can actually clean like around the edges here, and then you can use the glue for the strips of tape. I have not made it to that point yet. I'm not that great yet, but I've looked at several videos and you ladies are wonderful. I really admire you, and one day I will be at that point, but for right now, I'm not. So I'm sticking to what I can do. And so far, all I can do is cut the lace off the edges, which is what I did here. And this one also had combs attached to it. I think the tones are fairly good, and actually, I think I might like this technique better because when I've had, lace fronts put in before, which was only like twice, but when I had it put in before, the girl, she took and she used like an ace bandage to wrap it around my head, and she asked me if it was tight, and at the time it wasn't really tight when she got started, but by the time I got home and as the days went on, it just seemed like it was so tight and it's so itchy that, oh, it was driving me crazy. I had to take it off just so I could stretch my scalp. But as it's here, I don't have to worry about that. So all I do is put this on like so, and let me just put it to you on here. If you feel comfortable using these strips or other adhesives, then that's fine. Actually, you can do me controlling. I'm not there yet. All I actually do, I just use the contour to have the more love. I just want to have good. Voila, I am done. I'm ready to go. I could probably wear this up. I could put it until I want to. I'm also actually watching one of the videos online from Muffin Lovers, and that's how she used bobbin pins, and I actually like that technique. I love you. You are wonderful. I know I've said it 1,000 times before. I'm not gay, believe me, by any means, but I just think you are just absolutely, you're so helpful. You're raw and uncut. I love you. I just watch you. You just awesome. Wonderful motivation. You guys have to subscribe. But, okay, so telling you if I do this, you can too. As you can see, I haven't started anything synthetic daycare, so I'm not up in the big leagues yet. If I hadn't said it before, I know I'm probably repeating myself, but this costs like maybe $50. So I guess that's pretty good. I'm starting out. We're gonna see what goes. Here's what she looks like. Now it's let's do it and I'll do a little bit better. I think she looks better in person. But that's all. Goodbye. God bless and please feel free to subscribe. Leave me some messages, good, bad, whatever. Thank you. You guys have a great day and stay beautiful.